Today we are going to unbox with a built-in Mosquito zapper lamp. This is perfect for home, kitchen, bathroom, garbage area, barn, deck, patio or garden. This device features an extra large surface area and comfort grip handle for maximum efficiency. Electric fly swatter helps you easily catch and kill a variety of flying insects for safe, dependable indoor and outdoor relief. This Mosquito zapper racket is easy to clean after use it. Just put it on the base and turn it on, mosquitoes will fly to it and be killed. Outer nickel-plated stainless steel mesh and inner layer aluminum mesh design will not leak electricity and is resistant to deformation. Also without any risk to kids or the environment.